Today, I'm going to teach you 5 powerful types of animation you can easily create in Canva: walking animation, object animation, background animation, text animation, and adding audio voices. By watching this complete video, you'll learn an all-in-one Canva animation guide that can help you create animated stories, short ads, presentations, and much more. This is a step-by-step tutorial designed for beginners, and by the end, you'll be ready to use Canva not only for animation, but also as a simple and effective video editing tool. So stay tuned till the end to unlock the full potential of Canva. Let's begin with our first animation, the walking animation, where a boy walks through an urban street, going to school, and then returning home. Walking animation in Canva. Step 1. Set up your stage. Open canva.com and click on Create a Design and select Video, 1920 by 1080 HD. This is the standard YouTube video size. You'll see a blank canvas. Think of it as your stage where all the action will happen. Step 2. Add the background. On the left-hand menu, click on Elements. In the search bar, type Urban Street. Go to the Graphics tab, not Photos or Videos, and select a nice urban street background. Drag it onto your canvas and resize it to fit the full page. Now we have our scene ready, an urban street where our character will walk to school. Step 3. Add the walking character. In the Elements search bar, type Walking Animation. In Graphics, you'll see animated characters. Pick a boy with a school bag. Drag the character onto your scene. Step 4. Animate the walk, going to school. Select the boy character. On the top, click on Animate. Choose an animation where he moves from left to right. You'll notice blue guiding lines appear, which means the animation is applied. Play the preview. You'll see the boy walking across the street. Step 5. Animate the return, coming back from school. Duplicate the page. Right-click and select Duplicate Page. On the new page, select the same boy character and click on Flip on the top menu and select Flip Horizontal to change direction. Now, remove the previous animation and this time apply one from right to left. Now it looks like he's coming back from school. And that's it. You just created a simple walking animation in Canva. With the same method, you can design animated stories, short advertisements, explainer videos, or fun projects, all without any complicated software. In the next parts of this tutorial, we'll explore even more types of animations you can make. Tutorial Part 2: Object Animation in Canva. After learning human walking animation, now let's move on to something fun: object animation. We'll create a simple animation where cars move across an urban road. Follow these steps with me and you'll see how easy and exciting it is. Step 1. Add a new page. On the timeline at the bottom, click the plus button. A fresh new blank page will open. This will be the stage for our object animation. Think of this page as a new scene, just like in a movie. Step 2. Add the background. From the left-hand menu, click on Elements. In the search bar, type Urban Road. Go to the Graphics tab, not Photos or Videos. Select a nice road background. Drag it onto your canvas and resize it to cover the full page. Now our scene looks like a real street, perfect for cars to drive on. Step 3. Add the car. In the Elements search bar, type Car Animation. In Graphics, you'll see animated cars. Pick any car you like. Drag it onto your scene and place it on the left side of the road. Imagine this car is waiting at the starting point, ready to move. Step 4. Animate the car going forward. Select the car. At the top, click on Animate.
Choose a move from left to right animation. Hold the Shift key while dragging so the car moves in a straight line. You'll see blue guiding lines appear. This confirms the animation is applied. Hit Play Preview. Watch the car smoothly drive across the street. This makes your scene come alive, just like a real road with moving traffic. Step 5. Animate another car returning. On the same page, add another animated car from Elements. Place this car on the right-hand side of the road. Use the Flip option, top toolbar, to flip it horizontally so it faces left. Click on Animate and apply Move from right to left. Now it looks like two cars are passing each other on the road, making the scene more realistic. And that's it. You just created your first object animation in Canva. With this method, you can make cars, bikes, planes, balloons, or even animals move in your scenes and tell more dynamic stories. In the next part of this tutorial, we'll explore even more creative animations to bring your projects to life.
Tutorial Part 3. Background Animation in Canva. So far, we've learned walking animation and object animation. Now let's explore something clever, background animation. This trick makes it look like a character is moving, but in reality, only the background is animated. Let's do it together step by step. Step 1. Add the background and set up scene. On your new blank page, go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type in Landscape, and under Graphics, pick a nice outdoor landscape background. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it to fit the page. Next, search for Boy on Cycle Animation and place the animated boy on the road. Now we have our complete scene ready. A boy on a cycle in a landscape background. Step 2. Animate the background. Smart trick. Select the background, not the boy. At the top, click on Animate. Choose an animation that moves the background from right to left. Blue guiding lines will appear, showing the motion. Play the preview. It looks like the boy is cycling forward, but in reality, only the background is moving. This is a simple way to create movement without animating the character itself. Step 3. Create the Coming Closer effect. Add another page by clicking Duplicate Page. On this page, slightly increase the size of the cycle so it looks closer. Also, zoom in a bit on the background for perspective. Reapply the right-to-left animation on the background. Now it looks like the boy is cycling from far away and gradually coming closer to the viewer. And that's it! You just learned how to use background animation in Canva. This technique is super powerful. It works for cycling, running, flying, or driving scenes where you want realistic motion but keep the character fixed. In the next part of this tutorial, we'll explore text animation to make your videos even more engaging. Tutorial Part 4. Text Animation in Canva. Now that we've covered walking animation, object animation, and background animation, it's time to level up your videos with text animation. Adding animated text makes your story more engaging, helps explain your message clearly, and gives your video a professional touch. Let's do it step by step. Step 1. Add text to your scene. On your Canva page, go to the left-hand menu and click Text. Choose Add a Heading or any text style you like. Type something simple, for example, Welcome to my animation video. Think of text as your narrator's voice on screen. Step 2. Style the text. Change the font style to match your theme. Playful, bold, professional. Adjust the size and color so it's clear against the background. You can even add effects like shadow, glow, or outline. Styling helps your text stand out and grab attention. Step 3. Animate the text. Select your text box. At the top, click Animate. You'll see different animation options like typewriter, letters appear one by one, bounce, text jumps playfully, fade in, fade out, smooth and professional, pop. Each word pops into view.
Pick one and preview how it looks. Text animation adds energy to your video and keeps viewers watching. Step 4, combine text with scenes. Place your text at the beginning for a title, in the middle to explain, or at the end for a call to action. Try layering text with your animations. For example, a boy walking with going to school text animated above him. Don't overuse, keep it clean and readable. Well-placed animated text makes your video look like a real explainer or ad. That's it. You've now learned text animation in Canva. By combining characters, objects, backgrounds, and animated text, you can already create professional-looking animated stories, ads, or explainer videos. Coming up next, part 5, we'll add free audio and voice to our animation scenes. This will make them not just look animated, but also sound realistic and engaging. Stay tuned.
Tutorial Part 5, Adding Audio Voices in Canva. Now that we've created animations with characters, objects, backgrounds, and text, it's time to bring them to life with audio voices and sounds. Adding the right audio makes your scenes realistic, engaging, and more enjoyable for viewers. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Add bird sounds to a morning scene. Here we have a beautiful morning forest scene, and what's a forest morning without birds singing? Go to the Elements tab. Click on the Audio option. In the search bar, type Bird's Voice. Select a suitable sound effect and drag it into the timeline below your video scene. Adjust the audio to match the length of the scene. Now play the clip. You'll hear birds chirping, making the scene feel alive. Step 2. Add a clock ringing sound. Next, we have a man sleeping while the alarm clock rings. Again, go to Audio in Elements. Search Wall Clock or Alarm Clock. Select the ringing sound and drag it to the timeline under this scene. Now play the clip. Now the man isn't just sleeping on screen, but we can actually hear the alarm wake him up. Step 3. Add dog barking. In another scene, a dog is barking. Under Audio, search for Dog Barking. Drag and drop the audio effect into the timeline. Adjust its position to match when the dog appears. Play it back. Now the barking matches the action on screen perfectly. Step 4. Adjust the audio volume. Sometimes audio may be too loud or too soft. On the timeline, right-click the audio track. Select Adjust Volume. Slide the volume up or down until it feels balanced with your video. This way, your sounds don't overpower the scene, but blend naturally. And that's it! You've just learned how to add voices, sound effects, and background audio to your Canva animation. Through this easy, step-by-step method, you've now seen how to make your animation scenes feel more realistic and alive. I'd love to hear your feedback. Which part of the tutorial helped you the most? And what other Canva animation tips and tricks would you like me to cover? Don't forget to check out the other tutorials already created by CareU Animation. The links are placed in the description for you.